Hello friends, welcome to Sajar Art Wala. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting material processing videos. Today we are going to make a 3D cuboid. For this we need a marker, a pencil, a cutter and a scale. So I have already taken measurements, but before that I will show you how I took the measurements. Make 6 square boxes of measurements of 4 by 4. The height, the width and the length should be 4 by 4. After that you can see that I have made a long as you can see what I am doing is to make it bold so you can understand what I have made. As you can see, this is the bottom, this will be the bottom of the cube, this will be the corner, this will be the top, and these are the flaps. I have also marked cross where these will be cut by the cutter. Okay, these are the corners. So I am marking my corners in order to show you the boldness of the marker, so you can understand that why I cut it. So guys, now I will start cutting my box board. First of all, from this side, be careful with the cutter as it's very sharp. Make sure the cutter is well sharpened so you will be able to cut it fine. Otherwise, the fineness won't come if it will not be sharp. See carefully that how I am doing the work. Otherwise, your cube will not be good as mine. The edges should be settled in such a way If you like this video, kindly subscribe and like my channel. Okay, you can make the flaps of your own sort, but not that too much big, otherwise it will make you difficult in folding them outer edges. As you can see, I have marked the cross here, so I will cut this side. I will cut this side too. Now this time, this turn. Okay, one side left only. Always remember, practice makes a man perfect. If you are not practicing the art, you are not going to succeed in what you are doing. Next thing is you have to take the back cover of the cutter and you have to I'm doing this, repeating the cutter again so that it can be again. Now what I have to do is to cut the slightly cutting the flaps because of you also have to cut the make sure you do not hurt yourself. Life is precious. Especially those children who are making this in home. Okay, as you can see, I have done this. Now I will fold these flaps. If you want to give me recommendations on how I should make, or if you know more about something, like if you know how to make more things via using boxboard, then you can comment on this. Okay, this is how it is. As you can see, what I have done is I have cut the flaps. Okay, so guys, now as you have seen that I have attached all the straps together. As you can see, this is the perfection, that all the corners should be stabilized at the corners. I also made another box in which you can see how the corners have been stabilized. So I hope this video helped you in making the cube. In the next video, we are going to make a pyramid using boxboard. Subscribe to my channel Sajjad Art Wala. I hope you like the video.